First step, version management.
Version management. Okay. Understood.
Okay, so what is called as version management. Okay, we call them as repositories. What we call as repository management. We'll keep repository agent. Okay. See, especially when you're creating a project for your client I'm talking about. See, client will change it. I'm telling you my experience.
When
we are working with one of our client, they will say this is a correction. After 2 months, they will say that we want to make this correction. After like this, they will say every day one by one correction. Can I edit and redo it like that? Can I do it? No. So what we will do, there is a technology called version management tool. It's like a shelf. It's like a server only. Okay. So once, for example, your client is giving some request. Okay, you take your internal team itself. Okay, client is giving one request. Okay, that is one request on 1st January. Okay, you're developing the process. Okay, then what you will have a meeting, right? Again, the client is telling the second request. That is on 10th January, he's telling. Okay, again, client after then he's sending a third request. What he's saying that no, whatever you did in first one, that is I'm okay. I don't want that second one.
Correct.
You will again redo the same thing. You will go and undo all the action. No. So what we will do it once we create a project. Okay. So Ajit, maybe let me go to my control room. Go back. See, when I go and click on publish, can you see, Ajit, there is a version called 10101?
Correct.
Yes or no?
Yes.
What is the old version? What is the current version? 1.10.
And new is 101.
So what will happen when I edit my bot, when I edit my process, I'll change it a version to 1.0.1.
Okay.
First version, what I will keep it? What is the first version? I'll keep it as 1.0.0.
0.0.
Okay. When the manager said that, he said that there is after updating Ajit, I'll change the version to 1.0.1. Now my client is telling I want that world version. So what I will do, I'll take this version of the file.
Correct.
This one I'll take it. This is called version management.
Okay.
Okay, that is one type of server we call them as. What is we called as repository management server. Okay, repository management server.
Yeah, that is available in UiPath, like this type of facility.
Yeah, that is what we can configure that. Okay, so when you go to your UiPath, when you go to the home, when you go to the tools, plugins, these are the different type of software. Git, SVN, TFS, all these are different softwares are available in the market. Okay, that configuration will take in. You don't need to worry. This IT guys will do all this. Okay, you don't need to bother it. Who will do this? IT guy will do this.
Yeah.
Okay, IT guy can do this. You don't need to worry about it.
Okay.
They will take care of it. Okay, they will configure all this thing and they will give it to you. When you're uploading it, it will automatically manage the version management.
Okay, got your point.
Got it. So that is configuration. Who will take care of it? By your IT guys.
Technical team.
Yeah. And when you come to the next tab, so you understand the start tab?
Yeah.
Tool tab?
Yes.
Okay. And template. I told you, we can create a process by blank process or from existing template.
Correct.
Okay. Can you see a lot of templates are available?
Yes.
You can see it here. You can use this also. Okay. And team. Okay. This again, the same thing. What we saw here, the tools configuration. That configuration, we can configure it here.
Yeah.
Okay. And some default settings we can do it. See, some people will like I'm talking about UiPath, no? Some
Mhm.
people will like light colors. You can see my screen is white screen, no?
Yeah.
But if you want to make it as black color, which you can choose dark.
Got your point.
Okay, if you want, you can change it. But I like white color. Okay,
Yeah.
if you can use dark color also.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is one thing, and you can choose a language also.
Yeah.
Okay,
That
so
is
Ajit, there are totally some 13 languages supported.
okay.
Okay, the China people, if you ask them, they will choose this language.
Yeah.
Okay, but we are using English,
Yes, yeah.
right? So you can choose different languages we have. Portuguese there, Spanish, Turkish is there, France is there. Like this, various languages are there.
Sure.
Okay, you can convert the tool into different languages also. Okay, so and next is design. Some of the basic settings, if you want, that is not required for you. Everybody will go for the default settings.
Okay.
Okay, and when you come to the location, you know that default all your project file will be stored where. Can you see the
Yeah.
default folders are
Yeah.
there? So you
Yeah.
can change where you want to keep your project folder. Like that, you can set it.
Okay.
But
That's
you
like
remember that default where all our project files are stored?
yeah. You use this one, na? Default
No,
by
where all our UiPath files are stored in my document
my
in the
document.
UiPath, in
UiPath.
UiPath, right? But if
Right.
you want to change your project path, you can change your project path here.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to
But
change it,
like
you
what
can change it
separate
also.
template. I mean, say if I develop separate folder and can
Yeah,
link to
yes,
this.
exactly.
Yeah.
But otherwise, it will go on store default way.
That is different. Yeah.
That is in your computer. See, when you
Computer.
go
Yeah.
to my computer,
Document
documents, in the document, you can see a folder name called
UiPath.
UiPath. You can see all the projects here.
Correct.
Okay. But if you want to change this folder path, you can change the folder path here.
That's okay.
Got it? And I told you about license file, change profile,
Mm.
license, you can change it here. Okay. And second thing is a help menu. When you come to the help menu, I really appreciate UiPath organization company because they provide different way for the people to learn it. One is already we have a community edition they're giving for you free of
Mm-hmm.
cost, right?
Mm-hmm.
Apart from that, they are providing help in different portals also, Ajay. Like
Mm-hmm.
we have a community forum, okay, product documentation, what are the latest release notes, a
Mm-hmm.
quick tutorial, like academic is there. Academic means where you can go and see a lot of videos are there. Okay,
Okay.
so these are the different way we can get reach out to UiPath for the help.
Okay.
Okay, community forum is really good. See, if you
Okay.
post a question within 2 to 3 hours, you will get response from the people.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the help regarding to your UiPath. Okay, on the right side, you can see which version of UiPath you're using, what license you're using, all the details you can get it here.
Okay.
Okay, so understand
If I
about this,
click that,
all this menu.
if I click the community form, it will go to the community form.
Yeah, it will go to the website. Can you
Oh,
see?
yeah.
forum.uipath.com. There
Mm-hmm.
you can see a list of people have posted the question. So what you can do, you can log in and you can post a question. They will respond to you immediately.
Got your point.
Okay, they have lot of the people will post a question like anything. Okay, they and immediately they will respond.
Oh, okay.
Okay, immediately they will respond to you, Ajit.
Mm.
Okay, let me go again to the UiPath. So if you want to know the quick tutorial, it will go to the other website. Can you see that it will help you like this? Okay, it will help you quick tutorial. Can you see it's quick tutorial giving step by step, right? That
Yeah.
also you can do it. Or
Okay.
if you want to know the documentation, it will
Mm-hmm.
go on to doc.uipath.com website where you can get the complete documentation about UiPath. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see type of workflows, file
Mm-hmm.
comparison, auto best practice, source control? Can you see all this thing? You can
Yes,
get the documentation about this.
correct. Got you.
Okay. So
Yeah.
any questions on these options?
No.
Okay.
No.
Now, then
No.
we go to the start.
Yeah.
Now, how to create a new project?
Mm-hmm.
So to create a new project, you have to go to the
Process.
start and you can see process. So
Process.
we call them as a process. We won't call them as a project. Okay. You can give the process name. Okay. You have to give proper naming for this subject. Don't just some random name. You cannot create a process. Okay. What is the business process you're doing it?
Okay, like for the cash flow, we are using the, we will put the name.
Yes, when you're communicating, no, hey,
Mm-hmm.
which module you're working, cash
Mm-hmm.
flow, transaction process,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah,
Customer management.
correct.
All right. So the name should be unique. So when I read the name itself, I should understand what automation you done it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that should be a process name. Okay, and you can tell which location you want to save it. Default where it is saving, you can see my drive. But what I
Correct.
want to do it, I want to keep it in my document.
Mm-hmm.
I want to keep it into where is my UiPath. Okay, now what I will do in the UiPath, I'll create one
Create
folder
new
for you.
folder.
I'll keep all the project under this.
Okay.
Okay, so that what I can do it is I can keep all the project here.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's,
so by end of the day, I can send you this
yeah.
if you want. Okay,
Yeah.
and then you have to give the brief description about the process.
Okay.
Okay, so description means the people can understand.
Sure.
Okay, and then you can see the compatibility, whether you want to use Windows method or cross-platform. What is a cross-platform? You remember the Studio and Studio X?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that you can do it. Or you
Okay.
can go for the legacy. Legacy means, see, I'm talking about UiPath Studio X. They added lot of features.
Okay.
They added the same window itself. They change it multiple ways. Okay, you want old method means you can use this window legacy method.
Okay.
Okay, so when I choose window legacy method, and I told you, no, Ajay, this is UiPath is complete design with .NET. Okay, .NET is a cross-platform.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when you say cross-platform means it support VB as well as C#.
Okay. Got.
Okay, now you can choose which language you want it. You want VB or C#. That's when I told you, know, this is
Yeah.
technically people
Yeah.
who work on it. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm choosing VB. Okay,
Yeah.
create it. Okay, I think I didn't give the process name.
Go for VB. If I learn
Hmm.
the basic of VB, then how I can learn it? Is there any
Easy. You can go to some website. You
Mhm.
can see there is a VB programming languages there.
language then? Okay. Because
Yeah, VB.
I actually I try earlier that because financial people generally go for the VB if they want to learn because it
No,
is
no, that
only
is VBA. VBA is macro.
okay. VB is macro. Okay.
This is VBA. VB is the like a .NET,
VB.
like C Sharp, C, C++ programming language.
Okay.
Okay, got it, Ajay?
hmm But if I
Okay.
want to get some material on this, then is there any site, website, so that if I require something, then
Yeah, just if you want to give VB tutorial. Can you see VB tutorial in wgschools.com? It's a fixed thing.
Mm,
This is VB script.
okay.
Visual Basic. Can you see, Ajay?
hmm
Okay, if I want, I'll share you this link. Visual Basic 6 tutorial. Introduction. Okay, the concept about computer. What is Visual Basic? Okay, what are the data types? You can see that.
Got it. Okay.
Okay, right?
hmm
Got it, Ajay? You can see
Yeah.
that variables, if
Yeah.
condition,
hmm
right? We can see that select statement, math function, format, string function, some procedures, arrays, Can you see the topic? If you want, I'll copy this.
Okay. LinkedIn profile also.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I've sent you the link, Ajit.
Yeah. So it is in, okay, I'll copy from here.
Okay, Ajit, you understood how to create a plan process. Okay, go to the start, create a process. Okay, now I'm just going to create a new process for you. What is the first process? Just I'm going to talk about today scrapping method. Okay, Ajit, I'm going to talk about scrapping method. So whatever I'm covering, I'll put it as a project name, Ajit.
Okay.
Okay, so that when you are going through also, you will understand. Okay, today I'm going to talk about scrapping type. First of all, I make you understand what is scrapping. Okay, today I'm going to cover about what is the topic I'm going to cover about
Scrapping.
scrapping. Okay, so let me put it as scrapping. Okay, what is scrapping, Ajit? Any idea? What you understand? Some English definition for scrapping. What is the meaning of scrapping?
Scrapping, what I understand is scrapping the things, but generally we scrapping tools is there. Snapping, sorry, it is snapping tools. Scrapping just cut and paste. Nothing. No.
Exactly. So it's nothing but extracting information.
Extracting, yeah, information. Yeah.
Extracting information from application. Got it, Ajit? Okay. Scrapping is nothing but extracting information from application. Okay. So there are two types of scrappings are there. Okay. One is table scrapping and unstructured. That is when you go to the UIpath. Okay, Ajit, I'm just giving a scrapping method. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm choosing window method, create it. I'm creating the project. Okay, which one is studio? Okay, now, okay, Ajit, I'm going to tell you, you can go to the project settings. Okay, project settings. You can see there is a modern design experience. Modern, please disable this option.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see the old method that you will understand more clearly. Okay, so can you see that my windows are a little bit changed?
Yes.
Okay, can you see there are two types of scrapping?
Yeah, data scrapping and screen scrapping.
And screen scrapping, yes.
Yeah.
So I will put it in the notepad. What are the types of scrapping we have?
Data scrapping.
Data scrapping.
And screen scrapping.
And screen scrapping. Okay, what is the difference you may be thinking of? Okay, if I want to extract structured data, see, scrapping, you understood. What is the scrapping? Extracting information from application, right? But yeah, there are two types of scrapping. One is data scrapping and one is screen scrapping. Okay, what is data scrapping? It is used to extract information which is in table representation. Got it, Ajay?
Yeah.
It should be in that is only we call them as structure. What we call as structure.
Correct.
Okay, why it is structure?
Well, it is given
why
in
it is structure?
tablet form.
It is in the form of table representation. Yeah. Okay, but if you want to extract like a paragraph or from images or from the text, Okay, then we use it. It is used to extract information which is in the
In
paragraph
and screen form,
or image
form.
form. Got it, Ajay? So,
Yeah.
so we have two type of scabbing: data scabbing and screen scabbing. Okay. Now let me go to the thing. Can you see there is a data scabbing and screen scabbing? Two type of
Yeah.
scabbings are there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ajit, please go and change your model. Well, you create a new project. Just I want to make you comfortable. Open a new process. Give some process name. You do in UiPath.
Okay. Should I do myself?
Yeah, do it yourself. Go to the open UiPath.
Now UiPath Studio Community, right?
Yes, now it should change to Studio Community.
Yeah. Now I have to go process.
Go to the start.
Yeah. Name
process.
is. Yeah.
Give some name.
I'll say. What name you put it? I will put the same name.
Scrapping type. Scrapping type.
Scrapping task I will put. And then blank for then VV and then create, right?
Yeah.
Now I have created.
Down on the left side, you can see a project. Can you see a project?
Storing dependencies.
Yeah. Because it is downloading all the projects.
So now what to do?
Go to on the left side. You can see there is a setting icon under project tab. Can you see a setting? Project setting.
It's also showing one pop-up. Before you automate, let me show you around. No? Skip. Okay.
Yeah, skip that.
The project.
You can see like a wheel icon, project setting icon. Like a next to the folder.
Can you show me in the screen?
I was sharing the screen.
It is already there. Where?
You can see there is a setting icon.
Okay. Setting icon, yeah.
Can you see modern design experience?
Yeah,
just
modern
click this. Yeah. Disable that.
Yeah, creating workshop.
Yeah.
Okay, now it is done. Now we are on the same page. Screening, scrapping, and data scrapping. Yeah.
Okay. Now this is you need to do. Ajit, I'm just telling you. Each time when you create this project, go and change it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, right. Ajit. Okay. Now let me. I think now you can minimize it. You can see my screen.
Yeah, I'm seeing your screen, right.
So when you talk about scrapping method, you can see screen scrapping and data scrap.
Yeah.
Okay. So first we are going to see about data scrap. Okay, what is a data scrapping? Which is used to extract structured data from the browser applications or document in the data in a data table format.
Yeah.
Okay, what is a data table means? It's one type of data type, Ajay. You know what is a table? Data table. Okay, what is a data? It's in the form of intersection of rows and columns.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, Ajit, before you're doing all this action, okay, whether you're doing recording or screen scrapping or data scrapping, keep your application ready.
Okay.
Okay, what do you mean by application ready? See, now let us take one simple example, Ajit. You know about world population, right? You heard about world population by country?
Correct.
Okay, just world population, world country in a world by population. Can you see? Can you see? This is my table.
Table, yeah.
Okay, if you want, I'll share you this URL.
Yeah.
Take that URL from the chat window.
Yeah, I've copied it.
Okay, so just imagine, okay, Now this is my day-to-day process. Imagine, okay, you know that we people are last 3 years we are facing this issue called
Coronavirus.
coronavirus,
Yeah, sure.
right? I don't want to open that page. You know
Yeah,
that this is one of the tasks in every company's now. See, they want to update to all the employee the status of coronavirus.
correct.
Okay, they want to do it every 1 hour because when it was in peak, people, our employees should know about what is the status of coronavirus. So they cannot do this repeated task. So what they want to do it, they have to open this browser, go on, click on this coronavirus, okay, and
Mm.
then extracting information. Can you see the detail of coronavirus?
Correct.
Right? They have to open this page, okay, and they have to go to this view by country. See, you can see the country. They want to
Mm.
extract this data, and then
Mm.
they want to write it into Excel file and send this Excel file as an attachment.
Correct.
Got it, Ajay? This is my
Yeah,
process.
this is the normal process we use.
Okay, so
Mm.
now this is so instead of taking coronavirus, I don't want to think about this. Let us go to the world population. That looks better.
Mm.
Okay, so,
Yeah.
okay. So this is the page I did. See, I want to send this report to my all the employee.
Mhm.
Okay, this is my day-to-day work. My manager has given me a task. You need to update population by country to all the employee every 1 hour once.
Mhm.
Or every day morning 9 o'clock, you need to update to all the employee.
Correct.
Okay, this is, you know that this is like a boring task, and
Yeah,
this is
every
also
day.
sim. See, if I'm doing it manually, how much time I will take it, Aj? What is the first step? I need to
First
open
time
this
I'll go
browser.
open the browser, then
Okay,
we'll
I need to copy this table.
data.
Okay, how do you copy the table? I'll just do
Yeah.
this. You know that
Then,
I think see,
then
I'm
paste.
copying. See, I'm not able to copy properly also. Okay, let us
Yeah,
copy it.
yeah.
Okay, I'm not,
Sometimes
see,
you
I
can.
need to roll, yeah, Control C, and
Mm.
I'll open, what is the next step?
Correct.
I'll open
Word
Excel.
and Excel, then it
Okay,
will take time. I mean, say
yeah,
when we copy it, sometime it is not the same table, same form.
it won't copy it properly also. Okay, if it not copy properly, what I will do, manually I will type it.
Yeah, correct.
Yes or not? So it will
Yeah,
take minimum 15 to 20 minutes for me to do this process every day.
correct. Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm thinking, what I suggest is I will automate this process.
Mhm.
Okay, so now what is the first step, Ajit? Come on, tell me what is the first step we thought, what is the thing now I'm going to teach you about data scrapping. Okay, what is the data scrapping? Which is used to extract structured data, which is in the
Structured
form
data.
of table representation.
Yeah.
Okay, now can you tell me what is the first step? Man, you tell me. See, actually, you remember, Ajit, what I told you, what is RPA? RPA is nothing but you're going to replace
Day
the
to day,
human
I mean,
action.
yeah, human action.
Okay, so what is a human being will do? First thing is open the browser.
Yeah,
Yes or not? Then
correct.
I'll extract the table.
Correct.
Then third thing is open the Excel.
Excel.
Fourth thing is
Copy
copy
the
the
data.
table.
Yeah.
Fifth one is what I will do with
Send email or
send email. Okay, for sending email, what I will do, I'll open Outlook.
Outlook. Outlook. Yeah.
And what is the sixth step? Send the email.
Mhm.
This is human action.
Yeah.
How we are going to convert into what?
Our robotic process. Yeah.
Robotic action.
Yeah.
Robotic action. Okay. Now let me go to UIpath. Okay. Just will Ajit will keep create all the thing into main workflow
Main.
itself. Open
Yeah.
workflow.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is the workflow I want to create it? Can you tell me what is the
Open
first step, Ajit?
open browser. Yeah.
Okay, now open browser, right? So
Yeah.
I need to click on this plus sign. You see, Ajit, all the activity, there are some thousands and thousands of activities are there. So
Yeah.
yeah, all the activities are easy to understand. So you told me, Manjula, open the browser.
Yeah.
So you go and search for open browser. Can you see open browser
Yeah.
activity?
Yes.
Okay,
Correct.
double click on it. So it will ask you the URL. Okay, which page you want to, I think you know that we need to put it in double quotes. Okay, and paste the URL which I sent it to you.
Yeah, say we opened, yeah.
Okay, but you need to put it in what? You
Well,
need to put it in double quotes.
double quotes, yeah.
Okay, so when I'm taking open browser, Ajit, you know that I click that open browser. Can you see a lot of properties?
Correct, yeah.
Okay, so default which browser it will open, Ajit?
Okay, we can go for the Edge.
Can you see a browser tab?
Yeah.
Okay, you can choose what is the browser type you want to do. So I think I'm opening the browser in which version? I'm opening in Edge or okay, I'm opening
I
in
think Chrome, I think.
Chrome. Okay, Chrome. So I select the Chrome type. Otherwise, it will open in Internet Explorer.
Okay.
Okay, if you don't choose a type, it will take a default browser. So
Good.
better change your browser type.
Okay.
Okay, now this is enough. So browser type I choose, URL I get. Now what I'm going to, after doing the browser, what I want to do is I open the browser. What is the next step?
Then click the, I mean, say type of whatever you want to download. What do you want to see?
Okay, you want to extract the table, right?
Table, yeah.
Yeah. So what is the type we calling as data scraping?
Data scraping, yeah.
So what you can do it is keep your cursor here, okay, and click on data scraping. Okay, once you click on data scraping, it will show you a result.
Good.
Okay, now what you do with, you click on next button. Okay, now you go to the page. Which page you want to extract the table? So I'm selecting this one, table.
Okay.
Okay, when I'm selecting, don't you can skip anywhere in the table. You can type anywhere in the table and select that. Now it will ask you, what is the message? You can read it. You selected a table cell. Would you like to extract the table from the whole table?
Okay.
Yes or no?
You mean say the data I have selected this one, or I want to select the whole table?
Yes. What do you want? What do you want? You want only select that cell, or you want to select the whole table?
Whole data.
So you have to click yes or no.
You select a table cell. Would you like to extract the data from the whole table? No, I think.
Would you like to extract data from the whole table?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see that it is extracted the whole table?
Yeah.
Can you see, Ajit? All the tables are extracted.
Yeah.
Okay,
So sometimes when we select one data, then it asks the question to us that you want the say exact this type data or you want the whole table, right? Then I take
but actually it will allow you to select only one cell in the table.
Oh.
So next question, it is asking by the UiPath itself whether you want to select only one cell or you want to extract the whole table.
Okay.
Okay. Now can you see the whole table? Okay. But maximum number of rows by minimum is 100. But you can change it. You can give maximum rows, 400 rows also. You can give nothing wrong in that.
Okay.
Okay. Once you select number of rows, click finish. Okay. Now it is asking next question, Ajay. Is data spinning multiple pages? What do you mean that?
Is data spinning multiple pages?
You remember when you go down the table, you can see page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will get it?
Yeah.
Yes or not?
Yes.
Can you tell me whether we have more pages?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Where is the more pages?
But there is no pages, right?
It's a one page content.
One page, yeah. It is one, yeah. Please, no.
So what do you need to identify the element to navigate? If you like to, just to indicate, I want to click no. Okay, I'm clicking no. Now, Ajit, can you see this activity came down? Actually, this activity should be inside this browser. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? It should be inside the browser activity. Open browser. In the open browser, what I did data scrapping. Can you see? Inside the open browser, I did data scrapping.
Yes.
Okay, so now which activity extracted the table? Which activity extracted the table?
Data scraping.
No, data scrapping, but inside the data scrapping, which activity? Extract?
Data table.
Extract structured table data.
Structure table, yeah, it is structure, correct.
Okay, now this activity extracted the table. Where it is stored, Ajit? It is extracted, no. Where
Yeah,
it is stored?
Excel.
No.
No, it is extracted from where, or it is extracted to where?
It is extracted from web application.
The public, yeah.
Okay, it is extracted, but where this activity store the result? Where it is stored, Ajit? Where it is stored?
In UIpath.
In the UIpath, when you go to this activity, can you see the output parameter?
Yeah. This. Okay,
Okay,
this is
it is stored
properties.
this here. Can you see it is default storing the extracted table data?
Correct.
Now, here only Ajit, it is stored it.
Okay.
You understood or no?
Yeah, understood.
So it is extract. So in this activity, it is stored store it in the output.
Output, correct.
Okay. Can you see what is the output variable? See when you go down. Come on, this should go down. Why it is not going down? Yeah, it's go down. Can you see there is a variable called extract table data?
Correct.
Okay, but Ajit, my question is it meaningful?
No, there is no variable.
No, this I'm talking about this variable. Is it meaningful? Extract table data?
No.
No, what I'm going to do it, I'll delete this. Okay, you can double click and delete that. Okay, press Control K. Press Control K. I'm going to give DT population detail.
Okay.
So what is the detail? Population detail only, no? Why I'm giving DT? What does DT means?
Downloaded?
No, data table. DT means data table. What detail it is storing that?
Population.
Okay, press enter key. Can you see, Ajit, automatically the variable is created here?
Yes, sure.
Can you see that? So what type of table it is created?
Data table.
But where it is scope? Do. See, what is the scope now, Ajit? It is in what this table, this activity, it is under which activity?
Do.
Okay, so you can access this variable inside this do only.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to access
do by default is coming.
By default, because this is an output parameter, no, Ajit. Okay, this activity this variable is coming under this called do. But I want to access this variable anywhere in the workflow. Anywhere I want to use it means pull down this arrow mark, you can change it. Which is the main sequence, which is our main activity?
Data scraping.
Data scrapping. Okay. But data scrapping also you open it. Go to the top. Data scrapping. So you can access this activity inside this data scrapping only.
Okay.
But which is the main workflow?
This is the main
workflow. Which is my main workflow.
Yeah, this is my, yeah.
So what you can see, when I click here, I'm not able to see any variable no Ajit. Why? Just when I go down, can you see this? I'm not able to see. Now here I can see extract table data. But when I go inside this do scope, can you see both the variables?
Yes.
So you need to change the scope. So which scope I'm changing? I will change it to
main sequence.
So now let me go to the top. I'll click main sequence. Okay, when I go and click on main sequence, where is it? Oh, yeah, I changed this one or that one. Okay, let me go to open browser. Do scrub. Okay, DT population detail. I need to change it to main sequence. Now you see that when I keep my cursor itself, I can see that variable, both the variables.
Correct.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now you can access anywhere else. You can access anywhere inside this box. Okay, now, yeah. What is the first step we did? Come on, tell me, let me go to the notepad.
Yeah.
We opened the browser. We extracted the table. Right, next, what is the next thing you want to do?
Open the Excel.
Yes, how to open the Excel in UiPath?
Just write open the Excel, I think.
Yeah, you can see when you go down, you add the activity agent. Just go down. Okay, let me. You can drag it like this. Okay. Now, when you come down, here itself you can do agent. You can see anywhere, wherever the plus sign, no, you can use it wherever you want the activity. You cannot add the activity here. Wherever the plus sign is there, no, there only you can add the activity.
Correct.
Okay. So what do you want to do? Open
Excel.
Excel. Okay. Open Excel. Can you see Excel application scope?
Yes.
Okay, that is you're opening the Excel. So you need to give the workbook path. Okay, what is the workbook path? I'll go on. I can keep it on the desktop. You can keep wherever you want, Ajay. But best recommendation is keep it in the project folder itself.
Okay.
Okay, what is the project folder?
Ajit.
Which is a project folder?
UiPath.
Document. Document.
UiPath.
Where is my UiPath?
I think you have put my name, Ajit.
Document. Yeah, UiPath. Ajit.
Yeah.
I think this is what is the name of the process I gave? No, scrapping
Scrapping.
tab. Okay.
Scrapping.
Okay. Then I didn't save it in scrapping. Scrapping type. Okay, I keep it here. What is the name of the file you want to create? Current population detail dot XLSX file. Got it, Ajay? I'm just opening it. Okay, this file is not exist. Don't worry. You can copy this folder path. Okay, and you can put it in double quotes. Paste the folder path slash. What is the name you want to give? Current population detail dot XLSX file. Otherwise, what you can do, Ajit, you should see, do we have this file in my folder?
No.
No, right. So if what you do it, you can create a blank Excel, you can create this Excel file and then you can open it also.
Correct.
But manually you need to do it.
But the system will automatically.
Okay, so what I'm doing it? Yeah, I'm copying the file path and giving my file name. Can you see the option called create if not exist?
Create if not exist, yes.
So I'm checking that. Why I'm checking that?
It will automatically create it.
Yeah, it will automate. So I open the Excel. Now what I need to do it, Ajit? I open the Excel. What is the next step?
Copy the data.
We did this activity. We are opening the Excel. Now what I want to do?
Copy the table.
So what type of table it is? It's a table, right? Yeah. You can see there is an action called write. Right
data.
Right range. Can you see, Ajit? Right range. Okay, right range. So it will ask you sheet name.
Mhm.
What is the sheet name you want to write it? Sheet 1.
Sheet 1, yeah.
Okay. And what is the starting cell?
A1.
A1.
Yeah.
Okay. You can see what it is asking.
Data table.
So what is the name we gave for the data table?
This one, the population something.
DT.
Mhm. The population.
DT population detail. Yes or not, Ajit? We gave
Yeah.
no here.
Okay,
We
the
created
file
DT
name,
population
if the
detail,
file
right?
name Excel is different, then sheet name is in the file, and the DT population is a table name, right? What I
Yes,
understand.
exactly.
Yeah.
Right? Now
Yeah.
we done it. What is the next step? So we completed this 2 step.
This
Where is
is,
my
yeah.
notepad? 4 step we completed. What is the next one?
Open Outlook.
Open Outlook. So when you go and click on this off, you can click say you close this Excel activity, Ajit. Just come down. Okay, don't do it here itself.
Okay.
Come out of this Excel. What do you want to do? You want to
Open
send it in
Outlook.
the mail. Send email you want to do it.
Okay.
But you can use Outlook or you can use Gmail activity, Ajit.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see Gmail?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So which Gmail you want to use it? You can use, see, when you go and search, Outlook also available at Outlook. Can you see Outlook?
Yeah.
Use desktop Outlook, save email, send email, like this various activity we have it. But I don't want to use my Outlook. I want to use
Gmail.
Gmail. Okay. So Gmail spelling. Gmail. So use Gmail. Okay. So you can select your account. What account? Okay, I will use my account. What is the account I'm going to use? It is double click on here. Why my Outlook is add new account? Okay, I got the notification. Let me go to my Outlook. Can you see automatically I got the Gmail account?
Yeah.
Okay, now what I'm going to, I got my UIpathtrainer.com. Okay, now what you want to do with the Gmail? You want
Send
to read
mail.
an email or you want to send an email?
Send an email.
So you click on this inside this do activity. You use send email.
Okay.
Send Gmail. Use send Gmail. Okay, send Outlook. Send Gmail. Oh no, where is send? Send email. Okay, right? So send email. You can tell to whom you want to send it. Okay, the account, why it is coming account? Inside this, I'm clicking this Gmail, I'm selecting it. Okay, I'm selecting the Gmail account. Okay, what to whom you want to send it? I'm sending to myself itself.
Correct.
Okay, UiPath trainer at gmail.com. I'm sending to myself as well.
Okay, no issue.
Okay, right? I'm sending to him. What is the message? Subject, world.
Population.
Put it in double quotes, Ajit. All the things are string. World, current, population. Okay, subject. Right? And then you can send a text. What do you want to send a text?
Please find it as something.
Okay, I'll just put it in double quotes. Hi, Manjula. Okay, just if you want, if you are not able to click on this plus sign. You can see there is an option called open editor. Here you can type it in. Okay, what do you want to type it?
Population
Please
data.
find attached the current
Population data.
Population data. I'll click OK. Right? Now you want to attach this file. Which file you want to attach?
Data.
The file which we
Excel
used in
file.
the Excel. Right? I'll copy this file. Okay. Got it, Ajay. I'll copy this folder path. I'll put it here. Only 2 double quotes are there. Okay, I'm removing. Now I'm attaching the files. So you can attach multiple file also.
Got it.
Done, Ajit? Okay. So what is the first step? Open browser. I'm doing data scrapping. Why I'm choosing data scrapping? Because I want to extract
Data from where?
structured data.
Structured
Okay.
data.
So once I scrap the data, the scrap data is stored in this output variable. So I change that variable name. Then next, after extracting, I'm opening my Excel. Then I'm writing a range of a data.
Correct.
Okay. Then I open my
In the
Gmail, use Gmail. In the
Mhm.
Gmail, what I'm doing it, I'm sending an email.
Email, yes.
Okay. Now how to run it? Go to the debug. You can see an option called run option.
Receive verification.
So it is opening the browser.
Mhm.
Going to open OneDrive. Oh, possible doesn't file is correct. The file is already used by another processor. Why it is storing into my. Okay, Ajit, one thing I'll do.
Yeah.
I keep this Excel file. Where is my Excel file?
So data is open or not? Excel file.
No, Excel file is somewhere it is corrupted. Where?
Yeah, because we can check this Excel.
Wait, I'm just okay. I think my Excel file is in the opening. One thing I'll do, I'll keep this Excel file in different folder. It's showing, it's saving in OneDrive. Okay, it's saving in OneDrive. Okay, let me go and keep it into. I'll keep it in desktop project.
It's better.
Desktop. Okay, I'll create UIpath training. Okay, I'll keep the file here. I'll just copy this file path. Control C. Control V / current population detail dot XLSX. Okay, I'll copy this also. Control C. Let us go on. Give the path here. Clear value.
Okay.
Paste it here. Yeah. Right. Let's run it. Okay. Got it, Ajit? It sent an email. Continue. So now when I go and open my Gmail, what happened? Okay, my Gmail doesn't have authentication.
You have used this email or not?
What is this here? Wait, let me open my Gmail. Current population detail.
Yeah.
Can you see it is extracted as Ajit?
Yeah.
See, even if a human being do it, we cannot do this perfect extraction. Correct. So it is extracted the data, but it's not sending an email due to security reason. Insufficient permission. Okay, API is not supporting for you. Okay, now one thing we'll do. We'll use Gmail Outlook. Gmail is not allowing because majorly when you work with your
Office desktop.
Okay, one thing we'll do. We will use SMTP. Okay, send SMTP mail message. Okay, here send SMTP means to whom you want to send it. UIpath trainer at gmail.com. The subject is current population detail.
What is SMTP?
Okay, here I'm going to write. If you want, you can click on this plus sign, open editor, and you can type Please find attached the current population detail. Okay, you can attach the file as it. What you can do, you can give current and you can put that file path here. Okay, now let me go on to which server you want to log in it. Which server, using which server you want to log on. You can see that from, you can see the, where is that? At the top. Log on. Which server you want to log on? You want to log on with UiPath trainer at gmail.com. You need to enter the password. What is the password of my Gmail? Okay, I think so. Okay, secure password. If you want to send to copy is there from, you can put from. Okay. Here also you need to give which email ID you want to do it. UiPath trainer at gmail.com. Here you need to put, got it? Now you can see that all the information I gave. Server is not supported. Oh, the server I didn't use. What is the port number? Port number is for sending an email is 587. So Ajit, these details you can get it from any website. Okay. If you go and check SMTP, Gmail port number.
Okay.
Okay. You can use SMTP port number. Can you see how to choose the right port number? Or the port number 587.
587.
Okay, so you can use, what is the port number?
587.
You can use 587. Okay, and then you can type the server DB. What is that? smtp.gmail.com. Okay, a lot of information you need to give it as well. Now, can you see the error is gone? Okay, now let's go and run it. I hope this should work. But I will cover this, send the email again, Ajit. Don't worry.
Okay, no issue. I will also try. Maybe even it is not working here, there. Maybe in our my.
So it is opening the browser. It is opening the Excel. Now, can you see it is executed? Find its application specific password. What's the password for this? Okay, one thing I'll do. I'll use some other email account. UiPath trainer. What's the password? Kavya #20 #0. Why my password is wrong? Why the password wrong? 587 is a port number. smtp.gmail.com. Correct only. Email, password. Let's run again. Some security reason it is not allowing to send an email. Fine, one thing to it. There is no okay, it's an application too. Okay, let me remove this. I'll use Outlook, use Outlook desktop. Okay, I'll use my default email account. Okay, here I'm going to send an email. Send email. Send email with Outlook. Where is that send email? Wait, here we can go to the activity list, Outlook. You can search for Outlook. Here you can use send Outlook mail message.
Mhm.
Okay, to whom I'm sending to UiPath from my office mail ID. I'm sending to my personal mail ID. Okay, UiPath trainer at gmail.com. The subject is current population detail. Okay, body I'm not doing it. Attached file. I'll put that file attached. Okay. So Ajit, no need to give anything. Okay, just you can give UiPath and this one, current population, you can give the body of the email. What is the body of the email? Hi Manjula, just I'm sending it, hi Manjula. Okay, now if you want to attach the file, attach files we did it, right? The attached files we did it. Now let's done it. I think my Outlook won't give any problem. Okay, now it is executed successfully, Ajit.
Okay. It means it's not allowed to Gmail outside.
Yeah, Gmail, I think it is, but I will get an email from my Gmail. So can you see, Ajit? I got a mail email.
Okay.
Current population with the
okay, that's
attachment.
separated. Okay. So you mean to say security reason it's not allowed to Gmail to another?
Yeah, actually Gmail we won't recommend as in office purpose, we won't use Gmail account. Right? We will use Outlook only.
Okay.
Right? So understood, Ajit. So this is a simple process which you automated by using data scrambling.
Okay, got your point.
So any question?
So you will send me this.
Yeah, I will send this file to you.